And welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nuzhat and I'm a certified soft skills trainer and image consultant. If you are somebody who has ever struggled with saying no to your colleagues, friends, family, and felt really upset or anxious or guilty about it, then this video is for you. For a very long time, even I struggled to say no to people, and I would literally let people walk over me. Now, this wasn't the ideal situation, and it should never be the situation for anybody. And as a certified soft skills trainer, I often emphasize on this factor, which is an important part of assertive communication, which is the power of saying no. Now, no doesn't have to be always rude or it doesn't have to be mean. Now, let's be honest, we all have 24 hours and we all have to get our things done within this time frame. But if we don't learn to say no, we are going to be wasting our precious time and energy, which we can use more on our focused work. So, the number one way that you can say no is being direct. No, I cannot commit to this project right now. That is the first way you can learn to say no. Take a small step, start slowly, but start. Now, the second thing is about maintaining our boundaries. So, when we draw healthy boundaries, we let the people around us know when we are available and when we are not available. But this is also important for creating healthy relationships. And for that, you can simply say, I will not be available today and tomorrow. However, I can help you with this task maybe on Thursday or Friday. So this is for somebody that whom you really care about and you really want to give them your time, but you cannot work it out. So let them know which dates you are available and give them an alternate solution. Now, having been in that situation where I always said yes to everybody, it created constant anxiety and stress for me. And let's be honest, we cannot always be absolutely truthful for the commitments that we take up. So every time that you have to say no, make sure that you give a brief reason or explanation where it is due. You do not need to over justify or over explain yourself, but you can simply say that I'm not available, I'm working on a project currently, or if it is with a family and friend, let them know that I'm doing something important this week, so I will not be available. And saying no to unnecessary tasks will really give you a lot of time and energy on hand to actually focus on the tasks that are important for you. So, in the case that you have to say no to somebody, use I statements. So, I statements can be very powerful, wherein you are saying, I feel overwhelmed and I currently have a lot of priorities or I have a lot on my plate, so I cannot do this for you. It is as simple as this. Now, as time passes on, you will realize that you will feel confident and you will develop a sense of self worth every time you say no. So, in that case, there will also be times wherein people will push you. It can be through colleagues, it can be through friends, family, who will insist on doing a particular task or going to a particular place. So, in that case, you remain calm and consistent with your answer in saying no, I cannot do this. And that being said, keep it short and simple. You do not need to over justify yourself, as I said earlier. Keep it simple and short. No, I cannot do this. And just leave it at that. And always remember that 55% of our communications is through our body language. So, along with your words, also keep in mind that you maintain positive body language, which is sitting or standing straight, making eye contact, remaining calm, having a calm tone. Even, if you sound irritated and you say no, it will not go down well with the person in front of you, and it may sound or you may come across as rude. So, along with your non-verbal communication and your verbal communication, keep practicing. Start with smaller tasks, which will give you confidence to say no to bigger tasks. Now, there may be times when there are some tasks which may require empathy. So every time you get a request, make sure if there is something that requires empathy, acknowledge the person in front of you and say that I do understand that you need help. Unfortunately, currently I am not in a position to support you or help you. So this will also show the other person that you care for them and you are ready to help, but it's just not the right time. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you would like to learn more or learn more ways to say no, then I have an ebook on 101 ways to say no. Just send me a DM or comment below and I will send you the link.